Hello, it's me, your boy, Marotsu's Pop, and today I am gonna show you how to make a delicious mascarpone and strawberry pie. For the crust, you will need 1 egg that I forgot to show in the video, 120 grams of butter, 200 grams of flour, 25 grams of almond flour, 70 grams of icing sugar, pinch of salt, and a pinch of vanilla, although this one is not mandatory. With a stand mixer or with your hands, mix the half molten butter into a smoother paste. Then add the almond. Then add the sugar, salt, and vanilla together. Add the egg. And finally, add the flour. And when your dough is ready, just shape it into a ball and store it in the fridge for a couple of hours inside a plastic wrapping. We do this because the dough is very fragile, and by cooling it down, it's gonna harden and be much easier to work with. When it has cooled down to a more workable temperature, you can roll down your crust dough on a floured worktop. Then you need to place it in the pie pan. My technique to put in the pie pan is to roll the dough around the rolling pin and then unroll it on top of the pie pan. It's not perfect, but it works for me. Then poke holes in the crust with a fork to let the moisture escape better, and cook at 170 Celsius in the oven for 20 minutes. And once it has cooled down, you can get the pie crust out of the pan and let it cool down. Now for the filling, we're gonna need 500 grams of mascarpone, 16 grams of heavy cream, 125 grams of sugar, and 2 gelatin sheets, that is 4 to 5 grams. Pour the heavy cream and the sugar in a saucepan. Stir and let it go to a boil. Once it boils, turn off the stove, add the rehydrated gelatin and mix very well. Now put the mascarpone out in a bowl. And pour the still hot heavy cream on the mascarpone and mix until it's all smooth. Pour your mascarpone preparation into the pie crust. And store the pie for 20 minutes in the freezer so it can harden a bit. And now, just have your strawberries on top of your pie. You can do it in whatever fashion you desire. You can simply Google strawberry pie to see some decorations you may want to replicate. Here I tried to do some kind of a star flower decoration, but you don't have to do what I did. It's all up to you. And here you go, a delicious pie, perfect to enjoy during spring and summer when the strawberry season is high. But actually, this recipe can work with other fruits. I've done it with blackberries, and you can probably do it with blueberries, kiwis, maybe mangoes. It's just basically a base for what you guys want to do. So enjoy! I hope all of you had a lovely time with me today as I was showing you how to make this delicious mascarpone pie. Remember, y'all can follow me on YouTube for more videos like that. You can also follow me on Twitch for some gaming and baking streams. And, well, you can also follow me on Twitter and get on my Discord server for shenanigans. So yeah, hope to see y'all again very soon. Ta-ra-ta, bye!